Hi beautiful people. In Bricks forum I saw the question how you can insert dynamic data and edit it with a class, and I want to show you today. So here we are on front end and I want to show you. For explanation, I've created a custom post type, and in this custom post type I want to create the different pages for the cities where our agency has services. So this is the title of the page of the custom post type, and I want to show you now how you can achieve this nice looking underscore. So here we have the section. In the section is a heading and a container with a block. In this block we have the query loop, and I queried the posts and the post type is WordPress agency. Here is on German. I ordered by title, so it's alphabetical, and yeah, that's it. So another little thing, if you see here the name of the archive template, please don't worry. On front end everything is fine. You see here. So the name of the cities, everything is working. So thank you for watching my video. If the video helped you, feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more things like this, write me in the comments, give me a thumbs up, write me a message under julian@bensmedia.de. I'm happy for your feedback. See you next time. Bye bye.